Hi guys, this is Mica from BitPOS, and for today's video, we are here at San Leonardo, Nueva Ecija, 8-Star Minimart to have a short tour and to have an interview with the owner kung paano nga ba natutulungan ng BitPOS ma-increase ang sales, ma-manage ang profit, at kung paano nakakatulong ang system pagdating sa inventory. For today's video, we are at the 8-Star Minimart and we have here the owner, Sir Ronald. Let's go!
Okay. Kung magpa-franchise kayo, ito yung mga products namin, especially the milk tea na masarap. And also, meron kaming pasalubong na made in Philippines. Ito, masarap na pasalubong. And also, mga drinks. Okay. At the same time, ito, mga chips. And biscuits. And also, meron kaming mga masarap ito, mga noodles. And also, yan, mga drinks meron kami. And then meron mga pasperos diyan. Okay? Yan, that's it.
We have here the owner and the manager of 8-Star Minimart, San Leonardo Branch. So hello po. I would like to ask a few questions po that came from our audience. So what is the essence po of having a POS system?
Well, para sa amin po, ang essence po ng pagkakaroon ng POS ay para po for accuracy and inventory po.
So next question po, ano po kayang marirecommend nyo para sa mga business owners na nanonood po sa atin?
Okay. Ang thinking kasi ng mga tao pagka nag-business ka, akala nila mahal ang POS, ang POS. Pero hindi nila alam, mas nakakasave sila sa oras and also the losses. At the same time, meron silang 24/7 after sales support. Kaya mag-BitPOS na kayo.
No matter what type of business you have, you definitely need a good POS system. Now, if you want to boost your business like 8-Star Minimart, choose BitPOS.